Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So I've been asked, how do you install a CPU? Well, it's quite simple. You're just going to unlatch. You gotta press on this bottom piece right here. That'll help lift that up. You grab a CPU. This is a Xeon, Intel Xeon, and we're just going to match the arrow with this board here. So exactly the way we need it. You also got these notches. As you can see, there's a notch and there's a notch on the other side. You can just match those with the notches. You put this in place, set it down nicely, put this over here, and latch it back up. Now, latching it back up may need quite a bit of force, so be well aware of that. And as always, don't forget to get her done.